The fantastic Rosie Kovacs from selleressentialsetup.com.au is going to show you how to set up the coupon codes for Amazon Prime. Now, Amazon Prime, massive sales day. Really great to set up coupons. Now ready to take action upon it. And so follow along with Rosie as she shows you exactly what to do.
Prime discounts can be set up at any time, Prime exclusive discounts. And as the name suggests, they're for Prime members. So I'm assuming everybody knows what Prime membership is. And this gives you an opportunity to target your sales to Prime members. And it's also convenient to do this, or actually a good idea to do this for Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales. And there's one coming up later this month. So to get into the discounts, if you go up to your, like on the new screen here, you've got your hamburger bar here, and you go down to advertising, and you can see all your different options here. You've got lightning deals, coupons, Prime exclusive discounts, and that's the one that we want to go into. And then you end up on this screen. Okay, so when you run campaigns in the past, or sort of promotions in the past, you'll see the list here, and you can go in and have a look at the details of those. You can see the last one that I ran was for Prime Day. The good thing with setting up a discount for Prime Day is even if you don't know the date, you can still get your promotion or your discount in, and then you just select that it is for Prime Day, and Amazon will automatically set it up for the right dates. You can create discounts in two different ways. You can either go straight into this link here on the left, and we'll do that in a moment, or you can actually download a template. Now, I'll show you what that looks like. To be honest, I haven't actually done this myself before. I've only just created discounts online. But I guess if you've got a lot of products and you want to run a lot of discounts across a lot of your SKUs, then this might be a quicker way of doing it. So it's just got the template here is where you enter the information, instructions on how to fill it in, and basically what the valid fields are and what's acceptable, how many characters and so on. So I won't go into detail on that one because it's quite convoluted, I think. But feel free to just download that at any time and have a look yourself. And you don't have to use it, but at least it gives you an idea of what's involved in creating a discount if you wanted to do multiple ones in one go. So we'll go into this link here, creating a discount. Now on this screen here, I'm not sure if you can actually read it, but there are some guidelines on what qualifications you need to be able to set up a Prime discount. And because you might have a range of products, but not all of them will be Prime eligible. The main thing is you have to have FBA stock. You have to have at least a 3.5-star rating for the product, right, as in product reviews. And you've got to have there's a range of discounts. It's got to be at least 20% off for a non-promotional price, or maximum 80% off. You can't go more than that. The catch here too is if you have discounted your product in the last 30 days, the discount will apply to that lower price. It won't apply to the current selling price. So just be mindful of that, because you might find that, if you ran a discount 2 weeks ago at 20% off, and you want to run another 20% off now, it'll be 20% off that previous 20% off. You know what I mean? So that could probably wipe out your profits. The other thing to be wary of too is that you've got to have this seller feedback. If you don't have any seller feedback, you qualify. But if you do have seller feedback, then you have to have at least 4 where, at least 4 seller feedback ratings. And it doesn't say here that it has to be over 4-star or whatever, but anything, it seems to be anything between 1 and 4, and you don't qualify. So there's two qualifications. There's product specific and there's seller specific. So you can qualify as a seller, but if you've got multiple products and say one of those products has less than a 3.5-star rating, you won't be able to run a Prime discount on that particular product. So you can give this a name. So I might call it Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale coming up. And if I click here, it's a Black Friday discount, it'll automatically put in the dates, which is the 21st of November to the 29th. Okay, there is a cutoff time, which I haven't checked. Neil, you might know, of when you have to get your Prime, sorry, your Black Friday Prime, sorry, the discount set up. There's a cutoff date, and if you don't get them in by that date, you can't get them in after that. And you have to set them up as your products now. You cannot add products after that cutoff date either. All right, so we've got only 1 week to go because it's the 7th today. All right, so hopefully, I think Amazon sends out an email with some details around that, so it's always worthwhile checking your email account. But yeah, so if you want to run some sales for Black Friday, then do it as soon as you can, because once that cutoff date comes in, you won't be able to do anything. So I can save the discount details and then add product, but we'll save and add products. So we'll go in and save and add products. Okay, I don't think I'm going to have this problem. Maximum of 500 SKUs. I don't have that many. You can enter up to 30 on this page, and just by clicking the plus button down the bottom here. Or you can upload the file, which is the spreadsheet that I showed you before. And you enter the SKU, and this is where you go to, I'm going to go to another, wait a sec. The screen, because I don't know my SKUs off by heart. There are 2 types of discount types. You can select an amount off, oh sorry, 3, a percentage off and a fixed price. And it's up to you what you want to offer. There's no right or wrong with any of those. I'm just getting it up on my other screen. So I go to inventory. Okay, so it's not the ASIN, it is only the SKU that we're talking about here. So I'm going to put in, now my SKUs were set up before I knew what I was doing, so they, yeah, don't mean anything. Amount off, I could say, well, you know, gosh, maybe $5 off. The minimum price, I'll be looking at, I don't know, say $21.95. It's got to be lower than like your current, like the selling price, or you know, the cheapest price that you've sold it for in the last 30 days, minus the $5. It's got to be at least that, because if I made that, say, the minimum price is only $3 less than that price, than that value, then it'll reject it. So it has to be at least $5 less. So the minimum price, I've made that actually $6 less. And then add that. And I think that's all I want to do for the moment, because I can come back and add some more before the cutoff date. So we'll submit this one. No, it doesn't like the price. Okay, so there you go. It must be at least 20% off. So I did make, it shows you what the error looks like when it comes up. And, oh no, I did accept it. Okay, happy with that. I just assumed that it was a mistake because it did highlight in red, so that was a really odd thing. Anyway, it tells me here it's scheduled, and for that particular product, it's just by current price, and that was actually the lowest price for the last 30 days because I haven't run a sale on it in that time. And then this is the minimum price it's going to be selling for during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So anytime, even after the cutoff date for getting these promotions in, I can still come in and edit what I've already submitted, but I cannot add any more products to this promotion.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of professional e-commerce sellers, over 2,500 of us and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right around the world, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the chat, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. See you next time.